Hi! So, welcome to our new vlog, and today is very special because today it's the turnover of our new house. Yay!
So, ito talaga yung project na tinutukan namin ni Daddy for the past couple of months. And I would say mostly effort niya talaga to. Siguro 80-20 or probably 90-10. 10% lang yung sa akin dito. So, I'm so happy and I'm very, very proud of you, Daddy. I know this is one of the greatest achievement in your life and I know there's more to come. So, I'm so proud of you. And sa sobrang saya namin, hindi na kami masyado nakapag-picture but these are some of the pictures taken during the turnover. And then after nyan, nag-celebrate lang tayo konti. Let's go!
Congratulations!
Congratulations! Ogan!
Congratulations na lang.
Congratulations, Daddy!
Thank you.
Congratulations, Tito!
Tita!
Ogan.
Alright.
Sarap kumain.
Yum. Sarap.
At ayun, nabundat na naman kaming lahat. Then after nyan, pumunta kami sa Trinoma para makapaggala ang mga kids at heart. So, let's go! Trinoma! Miyang-yang!
Ganda para sa Maynila.
Baliw!
Opo, Metro Manila to. Manila.
Go.
Meron akong sayaw.
O sige, ano yung sayaw mo? Patingin ang sayaw mo. Ano? Wow! Wow! Galing nga! Ano yun? Anong dance yun, Bia? Oh, sing! Hi!
At syempre, hindi mawawala ang playtime ng mga kids at heart.
Magabit-bit ang lolo! Oh, number one! Yung panalo!
Yellow
Ayun na, nakakabayo na si Mia!
Ganda, pa tayo. Yellow.
Oh! Galing!
Ah.
Ay,
Ikaw na, tay.
Hero. Okay. Oh, pwede na.
Okay.
Sabay.
Wow.
Go, tatay. Oh, galing!
Galing. Galing.
At matapos ang ilang oras na paglalaro, merienda time muna tayo. And ito na yung last stop namin. After nyan, umuwi na din kami.
Last one. A monster smile. Okay.
And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye!